Log into the app by using your Google account after installing it from either the App Store or Google Play. To begin, create your initial form for the inventory project by clicking on the plus icon and entering a name for the form. Next, add customized form fields specific to your inventory needs. For this demo, we add a short answer field for item names, stock field for inventories, and GPS for locations. Click on Save. You can always return later to edit the form if necessary. Setting up a Google Sheet with columns for the fields and connecting it to the app may take a few seconds. Now, let's begin scanning your first item. Thanks to the AI technology built into the app, the scanning process is exceptionally fast. Since this is a new item that is not yet listed on your sheet, it will appear blank. Simply fill out the form and save it. When rescanning the same code, the previous entry will be displayed, automatically synced from your Google Sheets in real time. You can simply update only the necessary information and save. There's no need for manual entry every time. Both the updated entry and transaction history are recorded into the sheet. In your Google Sheets, find two tabs, one for recent data and one for comprehensive history. Organized details include barcode, timestamp, item name, quantities, and GPS coordinates.